it is very difficult for any IT wala to jump data. Let us look at what is driving us towards the cloud. An organization is looking at cost savings or at least containment of its IT expenses. Like I just mentioned, IT manpower skill set is an area of concern. Constant requirement of specialists. You need a backup specialist, you need a recovery specialist, you need a power specialist, you need a firewall specialist. But let us take the case of an organization which is manufacturing cups and saucers. Their prime job is to manufacture cups and saucers, not to look at the IT behind it. But yes, IT is life and they need to do so. So it is eating into the CEO's time, which is reducing his focus, and time to market is getting cut. IT today demands time from the top management of the organization. So it is impacting on the core competence of the organization. In the past, we have seen many organizations whose core competence was something else, but they did so well at IT that they spun off IT companies. But it obviously means that there is some time spent that has gone out. Another outsourcing need or the need to go to the cloud comes from the huge impact that business continuity demands. If we look at various components of security, management, insurance, business continuity, these are all parts of a jigsaw puzzle that the IT needs to assemble and present a right picture. This business continuity, it is not that you cannot achieve business continuity while you are having in-house. But as we progress through the presentation, we'll come to know that this can be frightfully expensive as you continue to do it in-house. We all run cars and we all run scooters and mopeds. To service them yourself is not an easy job. It is not the cheapest job either. Giving it to a roadside mechanic may be a better option. IT environment in most of the organizations has evolved. So from few desktops a decade ago to multitude of servers, to multitude of applications, to multitude of accessing devices, including mobile phones today, we have seen a server sprawl happen within a small enterprise also. So, and the application providers have added to this conundrum by demanding separate resources. And so what has happened is we have had multitudes of databases where the resource utilization may be low, but it has also led to isolation of application and data. So HR data is different and sales data is different. While sales performance of an individual should be a part of HR data, but somehow these two remain disconnected somewhere. Backup is another issue which is of utmost importance and utmost concern. I still remember my days when I used to conduct interviews for freshers, and one of my questions used to be, please write down a backup command and a restore command when you are restoring it to a different directory. And I promised that most of the students would fail here. The story has evolved, but it has not changed. The backup and restore continues to cause problems. And of course, without addressing the staffing issue, one cannot proceed on the primary outsourcing. So if we see a picture like the I see on my screen existing in an organization, it is cause for alarm and something needs to be done about it. So let us